IPS is a product design and development company. What's that, you ask? Well, that means they help clients come up with new ideas for new products and even new ideas for existing products, so they look or work better or have more features. They develop ideas for software products, hardware products, and smart products that are connected to the internet, like pill bottles and vending machines. So not only do IPS designers and engineers help you come up with ideas, but they can also design and develop them and help you to get them to market as quickly as possible. Here's how they do all this. First, the IPS staff has lots of different skills, all the skills needed to design a beautiful product that works like a charm, all in one company. And their team is big. Second, they're great collaborators, with each other and with their clients. Here's how IPS designs and engineers products, like this smart IoT thermometer sticker. It lets parents know when a sick child has a fever. Industrial designers design the thermometer sticker to be small, comfy to wear, and beautiful. Electrical engineers will choose the sensor that senses the child's temperature and the module that pushes the data out to the parents' phones. Mechanical engineers make sure all the components will fit easily into the sticker and that it can be manufactured without any problems. The systems engineers write the software embedded into the smart thermometer and make sure all the components work together to push data accurately and efficiently. Software application engineers write the software code that makes sure the app works smoothly and easily, while the user experience and interface designers create the look and feel of the application, as well as the sounds that it makes, so that parents can have a smooth and stress-free experience. The IPS marketing team and visual designers may also design and write the copy for packaging that will make everyone notice this great new thermometer and want to buy it. Having all this skill and talent in one company means that Forward Industries customers have access to deep experience across a broad spectrum of skills, and that means greater speed to market for their products. With IPS as a Forward company, not only can we manufacture and distribute your products and packaging, we can design and develop them, all to the highest quality standards. So, back to the thermometer, which has been tested over and over again to make sure it works perfectly, and it does.